Good morning all, welcome back to our class. In the last class we studied factor theorem, and on the basis of that factor theorem we did 4 questions. Today also we are going to do some problems based on that factor theorem. Here in exercise 2.4, here the second question, that is use the factor theorem to determine whether g of x is a factor of p of x in each of the following cases. That is here 3 questions, and here g of x is the factor of this p of x. Whether this g of x is a factor of this p of x. 3 questions are here. First we are going to do the first question, that is here the g of x is x plus 1. So first we equate this x plus 1 to 0, then only we get the value of x. So x plus 1 equal to 0 and x equal to minus 1. Then next step is we write this polynomial, that is p of x equal to x cube plus x square minus 2x minus 1, and we put this value of this minus 1 here, that is p of minus 1. Instead of this x we put minus 1, that is 2 into minus 1 cube plus minus 1 square minus 2 into minus 1 minus 1, that is this value minus 1 we put everywhere of this polynomial instead of this x. So we get the number as 2 into minus 1 cube is, now we know minus 1 cube is minus 1 plus minus 1 square is 1, and here minus into this minus is plus, and 2 into 1 is 2. Okay, then here minus 1. Now 2 into minus 1, plus into minus is minus, and 2 into 1 is 2. Then plus 1 plus 2 minus 1. Here minus 2 plus 2. Minus 2 plus 2, that means same number and different sign. Same number, that is 2, and the different sign means minus plus. So cancel each other, we get 0. So cancel each other. And here plus 1 minus 1, like that, same number different sign, so cancel each other, and we get the value as 0. So we get here the value is minus p of minus 1 is 0. So we can set that x plus 1 is a factor of p of x. Here the question is determine whether g of x is a factor of p of x. So we write, so g of x is a factor of p of x. Here the g of x is x plus 1. So we write, instead of that x plus 1 we write g of x, because of the question is g of x is a factor of p of x. So we write p of minus 1 equal to 0. So we write g of x is a factor of p of x. Okay, like that. The second question is p of x here, and g of x is x plus 2. So we first find this, we equate this x plus 2 to 0, that is x plus 2 equal 0, and x equal 2 plus 2 on the other side we get minus 2. Then we find, we write the polynomial p of x. Here the polynomial is x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. Here the polynomial is x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. Then we substitute this minus 2 here. Then instead of this x we write minus 2, that is minus 2 cube plus 3 into minus 2 square plus 3 into minus 2 plus 1, that is minus 2 cube. first we find the minus sign. That is minus, the odd power of a minus number is negative number is always negative. So the sign is minus. And then we find the number. That is 2 cube means 2 into 3 not 2 into 2 into 2. 2 cube means 2 into 2 into 2. 2 into 2 is 4. 4 into 2 is 8. So we get the number is 8 plus 3 into minus 2 square is what? Plus 4. 2 square is 4. Minus square is plus. Then here the sign is minus. So 3 into this minus is minus. And 3 into 2 is 6 plus 1. Then minus 8 plus 3 into 4. 3 into 4 is 12 minus 6 plus 1. Okay. Then next we find out the value. Minus 8 plus 12. First we find this value. That is minus 8 plus 12 is what? Different sign. What will we do? When the different sign come, what will we do? We subtract and put the bigger number side. Like that, we subtract. That is 12 minus 8 is 4. And the bigger number sign is plus. So we get the result as plus 4. Then minus 6 plus 1. Here plus 4 minus 6. Here different sign come. Then what do we do? Minus and put the bigger number sign. So plus 4 minus 6 is 6 minus 4 is 2. And the bigger number sign is minus. That is minus 2 plus 1. And here we get minus 2 plus 1. Here also the bigger different number. So we minus and put the bigger number sign. So 2 minus 1 is 1. And put the bigger number sign is minus. So we get the result as minus 1. That is P of minus 2 is not equal to 0. Here we get the values as minus 1. So P of minus 2 is not equal to 0. Here we can solve this comparing first the negative number side and positive number side. Likewise you can do that. And P of minus, now we get P of minus 2 is not equal to 0. Then we can set that this g of x is not a factor of this P of x. So g of x is not a factor of P of x. Because of factor theorem says that x minus a is a factor, then P of a equal to 0, and P of a equal to 0, then x minus a is factor. Here we get P of a equal to 0. P of minus 1 is 0. So this g of x is a factor. Here we get P of minus 2 not equal to 0. So this g of x is not a factor. Now the third question is P of x equal x cube minus 4x square plus x plus 6. G of x equal to x minus 3. Whether this g of x is a factor of P of x. Here first we equate this x minus 3 to 0. That is x minus 3 equal to 0. We get x equal to 3. Now in every one of this polynomial x, we put this 3 instead of this x. We put this 3. That problem you have to do self. At home you have to do self. So it's a homework. Now the third question is find the value of k if x minus 1 is a factor of P of x in each of the following cases. That is here for question for polynomial here. The condition is that if x minus 1 is a factor of this polynomial, then find the value of k. We can find the value of this k. Here the first question, that is if x minus 1 factor, then we can set that P of 1 equal to 0. Is if x minus 1 is a factor, then we can set that P of 1 equal to 0. X minus 1 is a factor, then we can set that P of 1 equal to 0. Here the polynomial P of x, that is first question P of x equal x square plus x plus k. We put that p of 1. P of 1 equal to 0. Then here instead of this x, we put 1. That is 1 square plus 1 plus k equal to 0. That is p of 1 equal to 0. Now we get 1 plus 1 plus k equal to 0. 1 plus 1 is what? 2. 2 plus k equal to 0. Then k equal plus 2 on the other side we get minus 2. So we get the value k equal to minus 2. That is, firstly, here if x minus 1 is a factor, then p of 1 equal to 0. So the polynomial we write p of 1 equal to 0. Instead of this x, we put 1. So we get the values as k equal to minus 2. Then the next question is that here p of x, second question, that is p of x equal to x square plus kx plus root 2. Then p of 1 equal 2 into 1 square plus k into 1 plus root 2 equal to 0. That is p of 1 equal to 0. Then 2 into 1 means 1 square means 1. Then 2 into 1 is 1. 2 into 1 is 2. That is 2 plus k into 1 is k plus root 2 equal to 0. Then 2, we can find the k. That these numbers on the other side we get plus root 2, on the other side we get minus root 2, and this plus 2 on the other side we get minus 2. That is, we get minus root 2 minus 2. Okay, then the third question. Here we write the third question is p of x equal kx square minus root 2x plus 1. Kx square minus root 2x plus 1. P of 1 equal to 0. So we write p of 1. Everywhere of this polynomial x, we put 1. That is k into 1 square minus root 2 into 1 plus 1 equal to 0. Equal to 0 means x minus 1 is a factor, so p of 1 equal to 0. So p of 1 equal to 0. That is k. K into 1 square is k. Minus root 2 into 1 is root 2. Root 2 into 1 is root 2. Then plus 1 equal to 0. That is, we get k minus root 2 plus 1 equal to 0. Then we have to find this k. K equal minus root 2, on the other side we get plus root 2, and plus 1 on the other side we get minus 1. So we get the value k equal root 2 minus 1. Okay. Then the fourth question is p of x equal to kx square minus 3x plus k. First we keep this, we find p of 1 here. That's instead of this x we put 1. That is, and we get k into 1 square minus 3 into 1 plus k. Then we equate to 0. That is equal to 0. And solve and find the value of k. That problem like this, you have to do that problem self. Okay, so that's why it's a homework. Do it at home. Okay. Now you study all these problems and write 2 times also. Thank you.